Automating your shipping workflow can save you valuable time, and Ordoro makes it simple with rules for shipping presets. Let's walk through how to set this up step by step. There are 2 ways to create a rule for applying a preset. Start on the Orders tab. From there, click on the Preset option. You can either edit an existing preset or create a new one. In the preset modal, you'll see an option to create a rule that automatically applies this preset. Select that option, then click Save or Create, depending on whether you're editing or creating a new preset. Once saved, the rule modal will appear. Here, you'll set up the conditions for when the preset should apply. For example, you can base it on the shipping carrier, order weight, shipping method, or destination country. Make sure to fill out the required fields and review all the conditions carefully before saving. Once everything is set, click Save to finalize the rule. To review, edit, or manage your preset rules, go to Account Settings. Scroll down to the Rules section in the left-hand menu. Here you'll see a list of all active rules and the presets they apply. From this page, you can edit conditions, delete existing rules, or create new ones if needed. If you're working with multiple presets, take a moment to confirm that your rules don't overlap to avoid conflicts. And there you have it. By automating your presets with rules, you'll save time, reduce manual work, and ensure every order is processed consistently. Give it a try and see how much smoother your workflow becomes.